Okay, there we go. Are you ready to eat some? Are you ready to eat some carrots?
Oh, he said yes. Yes. It's kind of cold. I hope he'll eat it. Yeah, it's a little bit cold. Are you ready?
Here it goes.
Here it comes. Open wide. Do you remember that from yesterday? It's delicious, isn't it?
Open your mouth. Ah. I think he remembers.
Do you remember this? Remember how much you loved? Oh, is that yes? That's yes. Ah, open wide.
Ah.
Ooh. Ooh. What else do you want to say?
Ooh.
There you go.
Mommy puts it on like rouge.
Ooh, I like the Muppet face. Ready? Ooh. Okay, here it comes.
Ooh.
Yummy! You're such a healthy baby. Yes. Oh yeah? What do you want to say about it? Do you want to say anything? Oh, there you go. He was really ready for that one. Whoops. Did a little bit go flying out? That's okay. You ready?
Ooh.
Bless you. Sneezing is so funny. Bless you. Okay, you ready? Here comes the carrot. Here comes the carrot. Open up. Oh, that one all fell out, didn't it? That's okay. That's funny, isn't it? What's Daddy doing? Is he recording you? Oh. Are you ready? Here it comes. Open up. Oh, good.
That was a good one.
Boy, that was a good one. He was ready for that one. You were ready.
Okay.
Part of that one went in. Look at your nose. Have you got some carrots on your nose? That's okay. Here we go. Move your tongue over.
Okay. One more.
Okay, one more bite.
And
Here
then
comes.
we're going to turn this off.
Here comes Holden. Ready? Move your tongue.
Okay.
Okay.
Say bye. Bye-bye.